Ready to ditch the document chaos and unlock the power of effortless signatures. Let's jump right into creating your first Docusign template. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Templates tab at the top of the screen. Once you're on the Templates page, click the New button, and then select Create Template from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic begins. Now, upload the document you want to use as your template. This could be anything from a sales contract to an NDA. Simply click Upload and select your file from your computer. Next, add your recipients and assign roles to each one. This ensures the document is routed correctly. Now comes the fun part. Drag and drop the necessary fields onto your document. We're talking signature fields, date fields, text boxes, anything you need. You can also define the signing order in the routing order section. This ensures the right people sign in the right order every time. Finally, explore the advanced options. You can set expiration dates, reminders, and even customize the email subject and message. Once you're happy with your template, click the Save button. Congratulations, you've just created a Docusign template. Now you can send documents for signature in seconds. Start automating your workflow today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.